StreamCaster NEXUS is designed to be our smallest, lightest tactical radio that we've ever built. It's built on the backbone of our 5th generation StreamCaster radio technology. We wanted to make sure that we built this thing really with the operator in mind, with the end user at the forefront of the design process. So what you have here is, you would commonly see as the Juggernaut armor mount, but if you open this up, you'll notice that behind it, we've got the StreamCaster MINI 5200 or the SM 5200. So we still have the same 100 megabit throughput, all of the LPI, LPD, and anti-jam capability that all of our other Silvus radios have. And it's also forward and backward compatible with all of our other Silvus radios and systems.